I'm planning to do a lot of this, and I bought some of the materials that I needed, and I'm gonna be showing you as well what I got from the Amazon. I want to show you guys as well the tools that I got for my painting, and this time I ordered some tools for mandala painting because I like it so far and I want to create more of it. And this one I have here, we ordered it from Amazon, and maybe I will link down below the details of this one. And this is mainly for dot, because before I just used only the tip of my brush because it's a round one. Here, this one, this is a different diameter of a circle. So this is mainly for dots. I'm excited to use this one. I have here as well, it's coming from this the same pouch. I'm happy that it comes with this pouch. I haven't tried this before because I'm still on my project. Stay tuned for this one. This is for my April project. This is for the rounds. Here, I'm so excited to use this one. So before, when I did my first mandala painting, I just do some DIY because I'm so excited to paint it and I cannot wait to order this kind of tools. So I did DIY instead. Here, there is some samples you can use, and it comes with the plate as well. And the last one are these, the big ones. So this is the first time I unboxed them, like I'm taking them out from the plastic, from the zip bag. So these are, it's very cool, wow. I'm so amazed how it looks like. So I'm just gonna, what you're gonna do is you just dip into the paint. It's a very wetty consistency of paint. So when you put it on the canvas, it's like on a droplets, like water-like consistency. That's how you create the dots. And I'm so excited to use this one. Finally, I got this. Just so cheap. So I got it like less than 100 dirhams. I'm not sure how much it is in dollars, converted to peso or dollars. So there you have it. That's what's inside in this bag. So it all comes in this bag. So I'm so happy that I found this one. Then next are my brushes. So this kind of brushes, because I don't have big brushes, these are so soft. These are so perfect to create a background on the canvas. So it gives you a smooth finish for this one, which I don't have yet. I'm trying it. Taking it out. These are all I ordered as well in Amazon. Here it comes with the different brushes, different sizes. I'm gonna add some shelves in here where I'm gonna put all my painting tools, so you can see it in the background as well. And next is, I have here, these are acrylics. I haven't seen this before, so it's the first time I'm gonna see them. I'm gonna open them. So I ordered like matte and glossy. We'll open them. I'm just gonna find a scissor. I have a scissor here. So I link down below, guys, place I ordered this in Amazon. And I'm so excited. Here is the packaging. Wow! There they are. Let's see this one. Wow, this is the gloss, and this is what's in here. It says here the colors, so this is the one. This one is gray or apple barrel. Okay, this is the one I've been looking the white one because I'm running out of white. It's a 59 ml, so it will take me a lot of times before it finished this one. So I guess this is my 1 year supply of acrylic paint. These are all the glossy, and we'll go to this one. This one is the matte color. Oh, okay. Why this was upside down? This one is the matte. And I'm so happy I got a lot of colors. I'll take out the white because I used so much white in my painting because it's for the blending, demand color for the blending to make that ombre kind of finish. This is what's inside, and I love the kind of pastel colors. Oh, this one is my favorite. This one is kind of turquoise. Turn you around, zoom you out. I'm so happy for my Amazon purchase for my painting. This is a different kind of tools I have when I'm doing my makeup. So this one is painting, and this is more exciting, I think. Lovely colors. It's like pastel, so I've seen some of my favorites already. It took me a lot of time to think about because there are a lot of options to choose from, which kind of color palettes you have to get, and I ended up in this one. So I'm so happy for the colors. Hopefully they are fine, they are very good. I got 2 boxes. This one is matte and glossy. Yeah. Glossy is perfect for mandala painting. So as you notice, a lot of colors. It should be color coordinated. So I'm gonna be showing you as well how I created those. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So there you have it. Hope you enjoy my unboxing video, sharing you the new tools that I've got for my painting. And stay tuned for more of my mandala painting, and hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to get notified of my new videos. And see you in the next one. Bye!